Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you have dark and dismal closets or under counters that you can't see anything in, then you've got to get yourself a pair of these amazing LED lights from Auxoda. I've had other LED lights that go underneath cabinets or in closets before that were flimsy and they just fell down all the time. These are such high quality. You can tell right away that these are well made, they're solid, and they come with great magnetic strips that you can attach to any surface you want to place them on that isn't already metal. And they stay in place. I love that. These have several great features. For one, they're 56 LED lights, so they're really nice and bright. They have 3 different light settings, so you can either have a bright white or a warm or somewhere in between. Actually, the in between is my favorite. It has different settings for motion sensing. One of the things that's really unique about these LED lights is that they have a gradual illumination technology, which means that it has a gentle and gradual brightness. So you're not just getting the shocking, like really bright light all at once. And I think that's really cool. I'm really pleased with these lights, and I've had a lot of under counter lights, and I think these are definitely top of the line. And that's my point of view.